Imagine a technology so powerful it can diagnose diseases, influence elections, and decide who gets a loan, all while evolving faster than we can regulate it. This is the reality of artificial intelligence today. AI has moved from science fiction to reshaping our daily lives at breathtaking speed. Governments worldwide agree AI needs regulation, but here's the paradox: no one agrees how. For every day we delay drawing clear boundaries between innovation and exploitation, the challenge grows exponentially more difficult. But why is this regulatory challenge so uniquely complex? The first obstacle is speed. AI technologies evolve at a pace that makes traditional lawmaking look glacial. By the time a regulation is drafted and implemented, the technology it aims to govern has often transformed completely. Second, we face a definition problem. What exactly are we regulating? AI encompasses everything from recommendation algorithms to autonomous vehicles, each with vastly different risks and applications. Third, we're attempting something unprecedented: global consensus. The European Union pursues a rights-driven approach with comprehensive legislation. The United States favors market-driven voluntary commitments. China implements strict state controls. These conflicting approaches create a regulatory patchwork that sophisticated AI systems can easily navigate around. Without proper guardrails, the risks are profound. Algorithmic bias can perpetuate discrimination in hiring, lending, and law enforcement, amplifying society's existing inequalities. Privacy concerns multiply as AI systems harvest unprecedented amounts of personal data. The black box problem means even the creators of complex AI systems can't always explain how decisions are made, undermining accountability and trust. When AI influences critical decisions affecting human lives, from medical diagnoses to criminal sentencing, the stakes couldn't be higher. We've seen with social media how waiting too long to regulate can embed problematic technologies deeply into society. Despite these challenges, promising regulatory approaches are emerging. The most effective focus on outcomes rather than specific technologies, regulating effects instead of technical methods. They emphasize core principles: fairness, transparency, security, and accountability. But regulation alone isn't enough. We need a collaborative ecosystem where technologists, policymakers, ethicists, and citizens work together continuously. The most promising frameworks are adaptive, designed to evolve alongside the technology they govern, with regular reassessment and updates. The regulation of AI represents one of the most complex governance challenges of our time. It requires balancing innovation with protection, global coordination with local values, and technical specificity with adaptable frameworks. While perfect regulation may be impossible, thoughtful, inclusive governance isn't. The question isn't whether to regulate AI, but how to create systems that harness its tremendous benefits while protecting against its unique risks. The future of AI will be shaped not by the technology itself, but by the wisdom and foresight with which we govern it. The time for that governance is now.